it hits me heavily. This steady melody starts conflicting with my mind. You can save it for another day, won't let you kill my vibe. Took a while to see, but finally realized in order to see clearly, have to fight the inner weary. So instead of feeling dreary, put the power to your mind and you'll instantly feel cheery. No more darkness feeling scary. If you open up the cupboards, then you'll start to feel alive. Wait for a minute, getting tongue-tied, but not because my rhyme scheme, more like from the bright beam bleeding from my pencil. Every time I let my mental get a hold of it, no controlling it, like Van Gogh and shit. Paint a picture, cause of course I'm an artist. Canvas on an easel in the place of where my heart is. Therefore it's natural to put it on display. Tension eases with the words that I say.
2 minutes of my life presses on me heavily, constantly, and the real life scares me, kills my creativity. The music's on my side, saves me, saves me, saves me. Music's setting me, it's got the key, saving me. Music makes me fight and shine.
Resto dentro le mura circoscritte del mio inconscio, mentre scrivo tra le righe del subconscio, appannando ogni ricordo, uno scordo, l'affanno che ho tradotto ad ogni ascolto, ed ogni solco tracciato nel mio statica apparire ad ogni ascolto, e poi di conseguenza non aver la forza di affrontare ogni singola probabile risorsa. Tutto è scuro, non ci vedo, mi concedo, ad ogni attacco dall'esterno mi scollego. La forma che mi appare come un masso che mi schiaccia, ma la musica che vivo non è la minaccia.
È la vita che spendi, inspires me,